Want to speak English like native? This is English conversation practice in 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced.
Do you take a shower in the morning or at night?
Do you shower in the morning or at night?
I shower in the morning.
Why in the morning?
It helps me wake up.
Do you prefer showering in the morning or at night?
Definitely in the morning, it wakes me up.
I'm the opposite. I like to shower before bed.
That's interesting.
Morning or night shower person?
Morning, for sure. Gotta wake myself up.
I'm a night shower person myself.
Really? Helps you wind down?
What household chore do you dislike the most?
What chore do you hate most?
I hate washing dishes the most
Why do you hate it?
because my hands get wet and cold.
Which household chore is your least favorite?
Definitely washing dishes. I can't stand it.
What's so bad about it?
My hands are always wet and cold afterward.
What's the one chore you absolutely dread?
Dishes, without a doubt. Hate doing them.
What's the issue?
The wet, cold hands thing just grosses me out.
Are you often late?
Are you often late for work?
No, I am always on time.
That is good. How do you do it?
I wake up early every day.
Do you ever struggle with being late to work?
Not really. I make a point to be punctual.
That's impressive. Oh, what's your secret?
I just make sure to wake up with plenty of time.
Are you frequently late getting to work?
Nah, I'm pretty good about being on time.
How do you manage that?
Simple. I just give myself enough time in the morning.
Tell me about your Sunday routine.
Tell me about your Sunday routine.
I wake up late and make pancakes.
That sounds nice. Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch movies in the afternoon.
What does your typical Sunday look like?
I sleep in, then make pancakes for breakfast.
Relaxing. Anything else?
Yeah, I usually watch a movie in the afternoon.
What's your Sunday routine like?
Sleep in, pancakes, the whole lazy morning vibe.
Sounds perfect. Afternoon plans?
Just a movie, low-key all the way.
What do you usually do before you go to sleep?
What do you do before you sleep?
I read a book for a while.
Do you use your phone?
No, the phone keeps me awake.
What's your usual routine before bed?
I like to read for about 20 minutes.
Do you scroll through your phone?
I try not to, the screen keeps me up.
What do you do to wind down before sleep?
I'll read for a bit. Helps me relax.
Phone or book?
Book. Phone's too stimulating.
What time do you have dinner?
What time do you have dinner?
I eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
That is late for me.
I eat late because I work late.
Yeah.
What time do you usually eat dinner?
Typically around 7. It depends on my work schedule.
That's pretty late. Do you get hungry before?
Sometimes I have a small snack in the afternoon.
What time's dinner for you?
Usually around 7. Work dictates it.
That's late. You snack before?
Yeah, maybe a little something in the late afternoon.
What do you do after you get home from work?
What do you do after work?
I watch TV and relax.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook simple meals.
What's your routine like after you get home?
I usually just unwind by watching some TV.
Do you make dinner yourself?
Yeah, I cook something quick and easy.
What do you do once you're home from work?
Crash on the couch and watch TV, honestly.
Yeah. You cook?
Yeah, just throw together something simple.
How do you go to work?
How do you go to work?
I drive my car every day.
Is the traffic bad?
Sometimes it is very busy.
How do you usually get to work?
I drive. It's the most convenient for me.
How's the traffic on your route?
It can get pretty heavy during rush hour.
How do you commute to work?
I drive. Gotta have my wheels.
Traffic bad?
Rush hour's a nightmare sometimes.
What do you eat for breakfast?
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal and milk.
Do you drink coffee too?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning. What's your typical breakfast like?
Just cereal with milk, nothing fancy.
Do you have coffee with that?
Absolutely, can't function without my morning coffee.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
Just cereal and milk. Pretty basic.
Coffee too?
Oh yeah, gotta have my caffeine fix.
What time do you usually wake up?
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
That is very early.
Yes, I need time to get ready.
What time do you normally get up in the morning?
Usually around 6. I like to have a slow morning.
Yeah, that's pretty early.
Do you go to bed early too?
Yeah, I try to be in bed by 10. What time do you usually roll out of bed?
Around 6. I need my slow mornings.
That's early.
You hitting the sack early too?
Yeah, 10 o'clock is my cutoff.